get this crazy effect, just follow these steps. Start by completing both designs. One will serve as the background, and the other will unfold in two during the animation. Once you have both designs ready, download the latter and re-upload it to Canva as an image. Duplicate the background design. Add the downloaded image to your first slide. Scale the image to match the dimensions of your design, and then split it in half. Repeat this process for the lower part. In the end, it will appear as a seamless single image. Copy the upper part of the image to your second slide. Position it at the very top, leaving a small portion of the image visible. Do the same with the lower part. Apply the match and move transition between the two slides. And that's it. Follow for more.